Welcome to today's YouTube video, where we'll be exploring the exciting features of the 2024 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. Join me as we delve into its sleek design, advanced hybrid technology, fuel efficiency, cutting-edge features, and commitment to sustainability. Let's dive in. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid is a stylish and eco-friendly sedan that seamlessly blends design, performance, and efficiency. With its striking exterior, advanced hybrid powertrain, innovative features, comfortable interior, and commitment to sustainability, the Sonata Hybrid stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking a greener and more efficient driving experience. Let's explore the features that make this hybrid sedan a standout option. Advanced hybrid technology and fuel efficiency. The Sonata Hybrid utilizes advanced hybrid technology to maximize efficiency without compromising performance. Its hybrid powertrain combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing seamless power delivery and impressive fuel efficiency. The Sonata Hybrid's regenerative braking system captures and stores energy during deceleration, further enhancing its efficiency. With its impressive fuel economy ratings, the Sonata Hybrid keeps you on the road for longer, while minimizing your environmental footprint. Cutting-edge features and innovation. Step inside the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, and you'll find a technologically advanced and comfortable interior. The Sonata Hybrid offers a range of cutting-edge features, including a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, voice control, wireless charging, and advanced driver assistance systems. With features like a panoramic sunroof, premium audio system, and comfortable seating, the Sonata Hybrid provides a luxurious and connected driving experience. As we conclude our exploration of the 2024 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, it's evident that this sedan offers a winning combination of sleek design, advanced hybrid technology, fuel efficiency, cutting-edge features, and a commitment to sustainability.